Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing space and eliminating recent changes that slow everything down. Reboot the phone, then check settings, storage, and delete large unused files until about 10% free space remains. This prevents throttling. Once done, update Android system and essential apps to remove performance bugs. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. Make sure to note which apps you remove. You will reinstall selectively after confirming performance gains. Now you go deeper. Identify heavy apps in settings, battery, and memory, then uninstall or disable anything unnecessary. Next, clear app caches and, for misbehaving apps, reset app data to remove corrupt state. Once done, open developer options or battery settings and limit background processes or restrict background activity per app to prevent RAM churn. Also disable animations or reduce window/transition animation scale to 0. 5x for snappier UI response without changing hardware. Finish by backing up your data and performing a factory reset only after other steps fail. This clears system-level corruption and restores baseline speed. You should also check storage integrity. Remove or reformat faulty SD cards and uninstall carrier or manufacturer bloatware where possible. Once reset, reinstall selectively and monitor performance. If the phone remains slow, create a new user profile or flash a clean stock or custom ROM as a last test. Troubleshooting tip: if speeds worsen, restore your backup and repeat selective app installs to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.